respecting some sort of getting to the local people, talk to them and showing our spirit to them, the love of music, the appreciation of music, and we gave them the chance to be exposed to music by we playing in front of them.
To be a success, we have to call upon one man, Lute. 掌声有请指挥律德。律德先生呢是来自荷兰，是此次远山青年管弦乐团指挥，曾师从指挥大师切利比达克。
We play also in the school. We let them to listen to kind of music that they never heard before.
I think I really enjoyed the performance in the school. It was a very different scenario. Even the stage was a bit small, and we had to kind of get together, all of us, all the musicians. But then the fact that you're performing for the kids, it makes complete sense with what I'm saying.
我觉得那天其实怎么说，也感受到了台下那些观众对我们挺热情的。那些小朋友就是虽然说可能听不太懂我们演的那些莫扎特那种比较古典的东西，可是还是会就是在结束的时候给我们热烈鼓掌。我觉得这是非常就是很鼓励我的一个地方。
对，我们试试。对应了吗？冒出来的。神农架的民歌叫《幻乡魂》，幻乡魂。 钟老师，方向魂，认识吗？知道。
I think for the people here, most of them, they have never exposed to these kind of music, the classical or the chamber orchestra before. It's a good thing to bring these kind of music to them.
最不喜欢的应该是体育场的那一场演出，因为第一是那天天气非常热，我们在那个演出的地方出了很多汗，并且身上就是黏糊糊的，就是开始了一场演出。第二个不舒服的原因是因为台下的观众实在是太吵了。主要是那个地方嘛，觉得是体育场，所以大家会觉得可以随心所欲的说话或者玩手机，小朋友们就跑跑跳跳，我们觉得那样不太好，所以给了我们非常大的演出的噪音啊之类的，很大的问题。
这个小节，第三小节不出来，这个不行。喂？哎！这个乐章不能声音太小了，所以不用怕声音小，不用怕声音做了。我不够给力，这个特别要充满一个很充分的对声音，对。如果音很高，我能做些，但是刚刚没有很高的音，好好准备。来，毛子里面，你会，55在前。
我叫高明阳。
我叫张。
Welcome to MuseScape Chamber Orchestra。
欢迎大家来到远山青年交响乐团。
远山青年交响乐团是2016年由爱音乐文化教育中心发起，由神农架国际民族心灵音乐节临时组成的青年乐团，乐手均来自武汉各大高校。本首曲子被称为一切音乐中最惊人的奇迹。巴赫的《勃兰登堡第3协奏曲》，请欣赏。
Yeah, in some moment I just don't want to play anymore, but I think I should do that since I'm already here, I'm doing concerts, so whatever people do, I should go on. But actually, when I heard the noise, I actually don't want to play anymore.
绿德他也非常的脸上表情不高兴，我们在下面也就是只能说完成我们自己的音乐，跟其他人无关那种。
It was quite an experience, you always learn the hard way sometimes, If you learn the hard way, you always become better and better and the best next time.
Clearly, people who have been culturally close to their own culture, then they will have more difficulties to understand the message from other culture when it comes to them. It can even be boring, for them if it's not the right kind of message that you're sending, or if just culturally too different for them to understand.
All music's equal. They're just all of them are good, but people have different interests. So maybe someone prefer this kind of music than other musics. We're just like helping them to explore what they like, and so we start from the classical music. Maybe some of them will be fond of the classical music, and after that they will start like learning instrument, and some of them might like rock music or pop music. That's okay.
我觉得吧，这次经历是一次非常非常难得的经历，因为我很少出来就是跟一大堆学音乐的人一起出来玩，我一般都是和家人朋友一起出去玩，跟学音乐的人一起出去玩感觉是不一样的。就比如说到一个景点。有些人会把自己的琴带上，或者说我们管理会把自己的尺八带上，然后在那边演奏一下，或者说拍一张这个艺术照。我觉得就是我和朋友出去玩是不可能有这样子的那种很浓重的音乐气氛的感觉的。所以说我觉得这次旅游，可以说夏令营对我来说其实是音乐道路上的一个大的转折点。我觉得以后可能会在音乐方面会有更大的一些关注啊之类的。就之前出去玩永远不会想到音乐的，所以现在把这两者连在一起，我觉得非常有意义。
In the future, I think I might bring more musicians from different countries to join us to express their feeling about music to people here.
我就是决定跟绿德一直跟着他，就是到结束，就是学习更多的一些管理的知识经验，对我以后的工作更多的东西都有很大的帮助。
The truth is, classical music is not very popular in developing countries. And a country like my country is a developing country, and growing country. It would be great. It would be amazing to be able to one day, with the right preparation, with the right knowledge, because it's not easy. It's not something easy, but to be able to arrange something like this in my country.
I can't really speak Chinese, but some of them, they were willing to try to speak English, even though, it's so hard for them to communicate in English. But it was really good. But it also has given me encouragement, I have been inspired somehow, because I am the only guy here who can't speak Chinese, and all the people here can speak Chinese.
I think I can do something like probably could be like smaller than that, not exactly chamber orchestra or symphony orchestra. I can do like 3 to 4 people, like the 3 violinists or this kind of stuff, and we can travel around and then play that. I think I will be really enjoying it for that. Yeah.
We start again?
Yeah.
Sale la flor entre las nubes misteriosas.